needs no translation.
Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage. In the way I feel, can't stand it. Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage. In the way I feel, can't stand it. Baby, I don't understand this.
This car brand is crazy for speed. Whatever they do is just most insane. People love their cars. This iconic brand is just close to my heart. They topped everything: racing section, luxury section, SUV, sedans, performance, never like before. Welcome to another exciting video of Wagon & World. Today, this video is just close to my heart. Today we are going to focus all our attention to the most iconic, known for better performance in every section, Porsche. In fact, many people pronounce this brand name wrong. Many people pronounce it Porsche, which is likely to be incorrect. The correct way to pronounce is Porsche. Completed over 80 years in automobile sector, they came up through many models, but their most famous model was 911. 911 is still desired for many peoples. The 911 model range is so broad. This is the 12th generation of 911, so-called 992. The RS2, the 911 GT2 is high-performance sports car. GT2 RS is the most expensive and fastest model among the 911 lineup. They launched their product in India with a price tag of 3.88 crore rupees, which holds a record lap time of 6 miles in 47 seconds with 700 horsepower, with a top speed of 0 to 100 in 3.6 seconds. That's serious speed. 3.8 liter twin turbo flat 6 engine that has a maximum power. This iconic car had many generations. Started in 1948 as Porsche 356 with a circular design. Oh, that's cute. And got a upgrade 901 with a sporty glimpse and a backseat. Yes, I'm all fine, that car had a backseat. 911 became sensational all over the globe and in Germany too. Started in 1931 in Stuttgart, Germany by a Marvel engineer, Ferdinand Porsche. After a century later owned by Volkswagen Group in 2012. The first Porsche design was in 1898. They also started their SUV section in 2003 as a mid-sized luxury crossover sports utility vehicle, Canon. With a family car glimpse, it had 4 doors. The 3.2-liter 250 horsepower with V6 turbo, the Porsche Cayenne 955 entered the market with mixed anticipation. However, it soon proved that it was praised for its excellent handling. The V8 power engine, Canon S and Canon Turbo later model became very famous. The VR6 and diesel power version joined the lineup later. The base model is powered by VW 3.2-liter VR6 engine, 250 horsepower with acceleration of 0 to 100 in 9.3 seconds. That's insane. The second generation was in 2011 with some dynamic looks. The 2011 was a hybrid version. 2 years later, in 2017, Porsche represented the Function Cayenne Hybrid. It was a plug-in hybrid. In 2017, 1st of May, Porsche Cayenne S Diesel set a Guinness World Record for aircraft pulled by a production car. What? The third generation was in 2018. 3-liter turbocharged V6 received in 2017. This car competes with Land Rover Discovery, BMW X5, Tesla Model X and 2017 Maserati Levante. This car is just impossible. The Chinese market is the largest market for this amazing brand. And the second is USA with 57,202 sold. And third one is Europe. The Porsche Macan comes with submodels: Macan S, Macan GTS, Macan Turbo, and the basic Macan. The compact SUV is filled with sportiness and everyday practicality. The aesthetic design says it all. Interior is most luxurious. The dashboard is all tough. The front screen, everything is just most perfect. The 2-liter turbocharged horizontally opposed engine, 718 Boxster, it's convertible coupe. To breathe in weekends, everything is aesthetic. With this car, can get some serious speed. 0 to 100 in 4.9 seconds, reaching the top speed 275 km per hour. This car is the most lowest on this brand, comes with the price tag of 85 lakh. This car competes with BMW M2 and Toyota Supra. And this brand has a big competes like Mercedes, BMW, Audi, Aston Martin, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Lexus and Maserati. Comment us below which car brand is your favorite among this. The Porsche Panamera with 330 horsepower V6 engine, 4-door utility car with excellent ride quality. They entered sedan section with this model in 2009. The second was in 2017 with everything better. Looks, more tech, more space, more features, more speed. Everything was extraordinary. One of the first car produced by Porsche was the Volkswagen Beetle, ordered to create car for the people, and the design was most iconic. Porsche claims to have the highest profit per unit sold of any other car company in the world. The average profit of $23,200 from each Porsche sold, which is the highest of all. The Porsche lists 68 most valuable brand on Forbes list. The 1982 956 is the most expensive Porsche ever sold. The Porsche race cars have won over 24,000 races. That's humongous success. Porsche won more than any other car manufacturer. Porsche is customization king. With everything can be customized as your requirement. Porsche showcased in many Bollywood and Hollywood movies. When the most people think of movies, cars, they think of American muscle cars. Maybe the Ford Mustang from Fast and Furious. The most famous downhill racer, one of the first movie to feature a Porsche 911 was 1969 Downhill Racer, starring Robert Redford. Most don't know that Redford is a car guy and has many Porsches, including a 550 Kia Spider. I've liked the speed once he said. Second is Le Mans, 1970 Porsche 917. Third one is No Man's Land, Porsche 930 Turbo. I just love this car. The 1994 Bad Boys was 911 Turbo. The most famous 2020 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S was used in Bad Boys for Life. It was the most dope scene ever. Used in the movie Shaan, the Porsche 911 Targa was feature driven by angry young man of Bollywood, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, co-starring Shashi Kapoor. It was an iconic movie. There are many celebs who love Porsche in their car collection. Tom Cruise owned Porsche 911. He can be seen driven 1997 Porsche 928 in his movie Risky Business. Even Bill Gates owns several Porsches, including 930 Turbo. Actress Kate Walsh owns 1997 Porsche. The most lovely icon loves Panamera. Lindsay Lohan owns black Porsche Panamera. Singer Rihanna received a Porsche Turbo S as a birthday gift from her label Roc Nation.